Hello. Yeah, if you can guys can see me here. Hello. Am I visible there? Okay, can you hear me? Okay, just a minute. Huh? Call sir, 1 minute.
Relax with soap frequently. Avoid touch. Hello.
Sir, in WhatsApp I have sent the link. You can see me live
Okay.
with students.
Just start
Okay.
now.
Yeah, now.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I'll begin the class. Okay. Okay, just wait. I'm just beginning. Okay. Okay. Uh, in the description below, can you see this? Check this. Check this link. Okay. Okay, you can check this link later also. But as of now, I'm just going to tell you something about the website we have in the department for the education purpose. Okay, we'll mostly go with that particular website where. Okay, Pauli Lynn says that present, sir. Okay, present to all of you. Okay, okay. Now I'm going to tell you something about the link I have given here. You can see this link is it's written sites.google.com view CNOT college. Okay, there's a site. Now I'm clicking this site. What happens is, now I'll just go to the slide. Okay. Now I type the address here, sites.google.com view CNOT college. Okay, in that site you will see something like about us, about the college notice and admission, and something like about the job. Okay, just click on this admission. You will see I have given a link there. It's taking some time, it will come. Yeah, yeah, I've given a link there. It's about admission in World Quant University. This is a course on data science and Python programming, and it is free. So if you are interested, you can join this. Okay. Okay, that is just the latest notice I got. Okay, now apart from that, you as a student of BCA are supposed to click on the BCA. Click on this link BCA. You will see something on notes, books, marks, syllabus, routine, everything will be there. Fine. So to get the notes of this paper, you can click on notes. What happens is, your paper of second semester DS, you click this data structure. Fine. Now here you will see the notes, unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, every 4. And what I am doing today, the live classes, is this one, unit 1, array and its representation. This is the file. Okay, and on the left hand side I have given you the list of assignments to be done. Okay, now that's about the notes. Now in case if you want to see the question paper, you can just go on the link called question paper. You select your paper and the thing. So you are in second semester, you just click this DS. You can see the list of question paper from the previous years, and these are all university question paper. Fine. Any problem? Yeah, if you have any issues, you can tell me. Okay, so you can see these question papers are there. These are all snapshot of question papers 2017, 18, 19. So you can check this. Okay, okay, in case if you have any questions. Okay, I pause here in case if you have any question. You are in second semester, you just click this DS. You can see the list of question paper from the previous years, and these are all university question paper. If you have any issues, you can tell me. Yeah, any questions if you have? Sure. Hmm. Okay, there's a problem. Banaibor is asking a question, sir. There is a problem while opening this document. Okay, now don't worry for this document. What you basically need here is you must have a PDF opener. Okay, you must be able to open PDF in your mobile or in your computer, and you must be able to open Microsoft Word and PowerPoint. That's the only thing you need. Those are basics. Every computer has this. In case if you cannot open, you can click there and you can download also. Okay, so today you can try this one. In case if you have any problems with this issue, you can you can tell me again tomorrow, or you can just in the group you can inform me that, sir, we have having this problem. Banaibor is asking a question. I'll take a break. 1 minute, I'll come. Okay, so hi again. Okay, can you hear me? There's a problem here in the line. The line is giving some problem. Okay, now shall I start the class? Okay, I'll begin with the class. Okay, so today's topic I'm going to. Okay, yeah, Peter's asking me what is up. Up, it's cloudy, I think. Okay, anyway, I'll begin with the class right now. Okay. Okay, the topic here I'm doing is array and its representation in memory. Okay. Now, what is an array or what is a linear array and how is array represented in memory? This is the basic question they ask in exam. What is array and its representation in memory? Now we have seen this in the first semester, right? Array is a collection of elements of homogeneous or same type. Each element is referenced by its index. A linear array is a collection of elements in which elements are kept serially. We have seen this in first semester also. No. Now, why do we need arrays? Or what is the use of an array? Now, basically, we need array to store data because data handling and manipulation is easy in array. Example, we can sort array, we can find largest from an array and many other applications on array we can do. So we have seen this one, we have stored elements in an array, we have sorted them. So this is why we need an array. Okay, so the first thing is you have to know the definition of array. This you do need. Why do we need an array? We do need. Okay, so I'm going to the next slide. Now, simplest type of data structure we have is a array, and we see here that this is an array. Okay, this is an array. Each of the elements in the array are 1 2 3 4. They're given like this. This 1, this 0 1, whatever we have, they are called the index. Okay, I think we have done this one is about the index before also. Okay, so I'll show you another picture of this one. So this is a array again. These are all the index of the array and these are the elements inside the array. Okay, now notice here the first element of the array always starts from 0, and it goes on. Now just note one thing here. I have written here something like 200, 204 and not. This is the memory location. We'll need these memory locations later. Okay. This is the continuous memory location. Okay. Now I'll pause here. In case if you have any problem with the video or with the audio, just type in there. Okay. Here I am. I think Peter wants to see me. Okay. If you okay, in case if any one of you is having any kind of problem here with the internet or anything, this is saved. Okay, I'll upload it. The link will be there in the site. Okay, from there you can see. Okay, now I'll begin with the classes here. Fine. Okay. Okay, don't worry about my face. You guys just concentrate on the slides that I am showing to you. Okay, just go with the slide whatever I'm showing you there. Okay, I don't think my face will make that much of difference here. The slide is important. Okay. Okay, I'm going to continue. Fine. So this was our array. This is the continuous memory locations here. Okay, it starts from 200. The next is 204. Okay, this is the memory location. Do not get confused. These are the elements inside the array. Okay, and this is the array index. Okay, so this is the memory location. These are the elements inside the array are 11, 9, 17, 89, and the index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Fine. Okay, now basically we have one dimensional array and two dimensional array. A one dimensional array is this the same, it goes serially, okay, in a row. So is this. You can check this one. These are all one dimensional array. You can see the elements inside the array stored is 100, it's 240, 3, 34. Now basically its index starts from 1. Usually we start array from 0, but here it is given 1, not a problem. So this is just a one dimensional array. This is a two dimensional array. Now one dimensional array has a single index like we have here. This is a0, a1, but two dimensional will have two different index. Okay, this is one dimensional, so you'll have only one index. So in a two-dimensional, we have different index. This is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, and so on. Okay. So any questions still? Now I pause. Okay. Or if I can go ahead, you tell me if you have any questions. I just pause here. Three. Now basically its index starts from 1. Usually we start array from 0, but here it is given 1, not a problem. Okay. Most of you are saying go ahead. Okay, I'll go ahead. Okay, I'll go ahead with the next part. Now, till now, what you are supposed to know in this part is you must know what is the basic definition of an array. You must know this. An array is a collection of elements of homogeneous type, and linear array is collection of elements where elements are kept serially. Now, this is the exact thing. I'm creating the slide from where I give you the notes. Okay, I have not added here anything extra. Whatever there is in the notes, I have just explaining you the same thing here also. So I hope you will not carry any issues or any problems. Okay. Now this is a two-dimensional array. This is an n-dimensional array. N-dimensional array is used in somewhere in image processing. It's also used in video games, making video games. But we will not do n-dimensional array here. Basically, we'll be doing only one and two-dimensional arrays. Okay. Now, coming back to the notation of the array. Now I'll start with the array. Now, let's read this. The number n of elements is called the length or size of the array. If not explicitly stated, we assume that the array starts from 0 and ends with n minus 1. So what does n means? N means the size or length of the array. Okay. And if the size of the array is not specified, then we always assume that the array starts from 0 and it ends with n minus 1. So basically in our programming we used to write this, is it? This is an array A. Okay. Okay, this is an array A. Okay, this is an integer array. So we have here an integer array whose size is suppose 6. Okay, it's very difficult to write with this pen. Anyway, I hope. So what we are supposed to know here is the first thing is n means the length or the size of the array. That is the number of elements inside the array. Now if I go back and see what is n for here, that is the number of elements in this array is, it is, if you count it will be 12, right? Because it starts from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the number of elements n here is, or the length of the array here is, how much it is? It's 12. So array always starts from 0 and it ends with n minus 1. So n minus 1 here is, n is 12. So 12 minus 1 will be 11. Okay. So that's it. This 11 is that thing. Okay. So I hope the first line is correct. What is n? N is the size or the length of the array. Now in general, the length, which is called the range also, but usually we call is length, or the number of data of elements of an array can be obtained from this formula. Okay, we can find the length of the array from this formula. Now recently we have just calculated this, is it? We just counted. See, we have just counted ourselves 1 2 3 4 5 6 and we say that it is 12. Okay, but what usually we do is we use this formula. The formula says this: upper bound minus the lower bound or lower index plus 1. Okay, so the length of the array is upper bound minus the lower bound plus 1. So going back to that array, if we want to find what is the length of this array, we can find out here. The upper bound is, in this array, the upper bound is 12, right? Lower bound is, sorry, not 12, not 12, it is upper bound maximum is this one, 11. Okay, sorry, the upper bound is 11. The lower bound is starts from 0. This is the lower bound, so it's LB is 0. Fine. So the length of the array will be upper bound minus the lower bound plus 1. So it will be upper bound is 11 minus the lower bound is 0 plus 1. So it will be 12. So the number of elements in the array is 12. That is the length of the array. I hope that is quite clear now. Not much, because not much of rocket science here. Okay, these are simple stuffs. Okay, I'll give a pause here. If you have any issues, you can just pose me a question. Okay, sir, can you repeat the formula again? Okay, Zolfi is asking me a question that, sir, can you repeat the formula? The formula is very simple. It's upper bound minus lower bound plus 1. That's a simple thing. You subtract the top end and the lower end and just add to the thing. So out here, the upper bound is 11, lower bound is 0 plus 1. So it will be 11 minus 0 plus 1. Okay. Okay, now I'll go ahead. Okay, I'll go ahead with the slide again, since you guys don't have any problem. Now if lower bound is 0 and upper bound is 4, then what will be the length? So it'll be 4 minus 0 plus 1, is it? So our formula says that length is given by upper bound minus lower bound plus 1. So it'll be 4. That's a baby stuff, I think. 0 plus 1. That's 5. Okay. So they will not ask you in this exam. Okay. This is pretty simple. Now, if upper bound is 7, lower bound is 3. So 7 minus 3 plus 1 again. Same thing. Now, it's not necessary that the lower bound always starts from 0. It can start. Okay, I'll stop here today. Fine. I'll do the representation tomorrow. Don't worry. Okay. And I'll send you the link also. Okay. I'll just show you my face at the end. Okay. Okay. My eyes are also straining. Okay. Ta. Kuble shibun baro. Ma.